Hey there, vegan folks! Chef Oswald in the house, ready to share a mouth-watering recipe for butternut squash stuffed shells. This flavor combo is off the charts, perfect for a special meal or impressing your family and friends. Dig it? Well, here's what you'll need. Let's kick it off by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and getting our butternut squash game on. Cut it into cubes, drizzle with a touch of olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. Roast until they're golden brown and deliciously caramelized. Next up, let's whip up our cashew cream. Just blend raw cashews, fresh water, garlic, lemon juice, salt, and pepper in a blender until you've got a velvety and flavorful cream. Quick tip, depending on your blender, you might need to soak the cashews for a few hours beforehand to get the right consistency. Remember to drain and rinse them before use. Now, onto the filling. In a skillet, sauté the spinach with a hint of olive oil, season with salt, and once it's all wilted, take it off the heat. Squeeze out any excess liquid and give it a chop. In a bowl, mix the spinach with crumbled tofu, oregano, lemon zest, red pepper flakes, and our cashew cream. Season to taste and set it aside. Cook the conchiglioni in salted water until they're al dente. Then it's time to assemble our stuffed conchiglioni. Spread a bit of the cashew cream on the bottom of a baking dish and stuff each conchiglione with the prepared filling, adding those roasted butternut squash cubes as well. Drizzle with olive oil and cover with aluminum foil before baking. Pop it in the oven for 15 minutes until everything's heated through and ready to serve. And there you have it, our butternut squash stuffed shells are good to go and ready to wow your taste buds. Hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Now you know the drill, right? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, folks, and enjoy your meal.